Cybercriminals are experts at exploiting human behavior, and no matter how strong your human firewall is, they know where to find the cracks. Let's discuss the top tactics used and how to strengthen your defenses. Scammers often impersonate trusted sources to trick you into revealing sensitive information, exploiting our instinct to trust authority or help others. One notable case occurred when attackers convinced Twitter employees to share credentials by posting as IT. This allowed them to access internal tools and post scam tweets from several high-profile accounts, resulting in over $100,000 in fraudulent transactions and reputational harm. Traditional firewalls can stop malicious code, but they can't detect emotional manipulation like a human firewall can. By verifying urgent or unusual requests through a known contact method, you can keep your organization's human firewall strong. Highly targeted messages, known as spear phishing, are much trickier to spot than generic phishing. Cybercriminals use details about you gathered from social media and company websites to make their messages seem more legitimate. An example of this occurred when a software engineer received a job offer tailored to his skills. The attachment installed malware that gave hackers access to company systems and allowed them to steal $625 million in cryptocurrency. But you can build your human firewall through cybersecurity trainings just like this one to learn how to recognize manipulation tactics that email filters might miss. Always be sure to examine messages carefully before clicking links or opening attachments, even if they seem relevant. And also be sure to keep social media profiles private in order to limit the information attackers can use against you. Building a strong human firewall isn't just about knowing how to spot phishing emails. In July 2025, security researchers cracked the admin account of McDonald's AI-powered hiring platform, which used the weak password 123456 and had no MFA. Although this wasn't a malicious breach orchestrated by cybercriminals, it did allow the researchers to access the personal data of 64 million job applicants worldwide, showing how even one weak password can put massive amounts of data at risk. Always be sure to protect accounts with long, complex, and unique passwords. Consider using a password manager to generate and store them, and enable multi-factor authentication whenever possible to prevent hackers from accessing your account, even if they have the password. Cybercriminals rely on human error, but a deeper understanding of the human firewall can turn that weakness into strength.